Hey guys, Coach Josh here from Gracie Barra, New Westminster, helping you with the warm-up. Now before we start, let's bow to Master Carlos and then bow to each other. Let's get it started. Let's start it off with 10 jumping jacks. Now, when the coaches are counting 1 to 5, you and the rest of your teammates will shout back 6 to 10. That was great. Let's move on to the next move. Squats. Get as low as you can and pop on right back up. Good work, warriors. Now let's get some push-ups in. Don't worry if you start on your knees. You will eventually build yourself up to where you can be on your tippy toes and your hands. Great work. Now let's get down to the ground. Let's get these cross collar chokes in. Cross your arms together and cross your feet together and connect your elbows and knees. Nicely done. Now let's try and connect our left elbow with our right knee and the other way around. Awesome. Good. Now let's work on our necks. Let's say yes, chin to chest. Now let's say no, chin to your shoulders. One last move. Let's get our ears to our shoulders like we're saying maybe. Now let's do some triangles. Lift both legs up towards the ceiling and bring one of your ankles behind your other knee. And then from there you have created a triangle. And then bring it back up and go to the other side. Now let's get some bridges in. Connect your heels as close as you can to your butt, and then as you bridge, get your butt off of the floor and point your arms across the chest, pointing towards the other side of the room. This is very important, so if they get on top of you, you can bridge and flip them over. Now for the hardest move, the shrimp. What you're going to do is to bend your knees, point your knees in the same direction, and now from there you're going to scoot your butt away while trying to touch your toes. This helps by scooting away from your partner when they are on top of you in order to retain your guard. Last little bit here, we have the break falls. Make sure your head never hits the floor when you do fall down, and how you do that is connecting your chin to your chest, and as you fall down towards your back, I want you guys to slap the floor with your palms. So make sure you practice this often just in case you fall down. Now the last move is stand and base. What you're going to do is sit on up, make sure your legs are straight, and use both of your hands to put it on one side of your body, and then from there you're going to connect one elbow and one knee, make sure they're the same side, and then from there you're going to scoot your butt off of the floor, and the one leg that is sticking out is going to move backwards. And once that happens, you will be ready in your fight stance, postured up. That's everything, you guys. That is your warm-up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of the class.